What's up everybody, Todd here. Today we're going to install the front and rear custom fit clip-on magnetic sunshades from Goodyear on this 2019 Chevy Silverado, but the installation is similar on other applications. Now make sure you're subscribed to our channel to keep up to date with our latest content. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to start on the driver's side in the front. Everything I do on the driver's side, I'll also be doing on the passenger side. So the first thing we're going to do, have the window down and then go ahead and grab your first sunshade. Now to make sure you have it oriented correctly, you've got some little black magnetic clips that need to be facing towards the outside of the vehicle. Then what you want to do is set it in the frame of the window and make sure that it recesses in and that it takes the shape of the inside of the door jamb. Now these are shipped flat, and so it is possible you might have to bend the frame a little bit to maintain the shape of the window. Here, I might have to bend a little bit here. Okay, now once you have the frame shaped like the window, what you're going to do is in your kit you'll have some 3M tape clips. What they're going to do is just attach to your magnetic clips, and they're going to face to the inside of the window frame. Now you've got 4 clips on this one particular unit, so we're going to go ahead and set those in place. So here we have clipped, stuck to the clip, and then the tape side is going to be facing up or facing towards the window frame. All right, next we're going to go ahead and peel off the red adhesive protector and go ahead and stick it to the inside of the frame. You want to make sure you're not sticking it to the actual track that the window slides up and down on, but to the actual plastic frame itself. Now, keep in mind, I have already wiped this surface down with rubbing alcohol, and you want to do that before you attach yours as well. Once it's attached, put some good pressure on there to get good adhesion, and then move up to your next one. All right, go ahead and repeat the same for the remaining fasteners. All right, now the rear is going to install the exact same way as the front, so I've already prepped the surface with alcohol. Let's set our clips into place. Okay, and again, make sure you're attaching it to the plastic window frame, not to the rubber window channel. All right, repeat the same process on the opposite side of the truck. Well, that concludes the installation. It's just that simple, about 10-15 minutes you can have these things on. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure and give us a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the product, check the link in the description below. And as always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online at RealTruck.com.